Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a very quick Shein stationery, vintage stationery unboxing, or in this case an unbagging. I know I'm on a no spend right now for journaling supplies, except for things that I've run out of, and I've run out of things to use in my Jabun Techo Biz, as well as some functional stickers that I use in my days. And so, yeah, I had to put in a small Shein order. I mean, there's lots of stuff in here, I think, because it's really not all that expensive, Shein, but it's like small compared to some of my past orders, which I will link at the end. Oh, there's a bag in a bag. Okay, hold on. I want to do this. Okay, I don't want to, because I haven't opened it or anything. I don't want to surprise it or ruin the surprise. It's weird how they package this sometimes. Okay, let's see if I can, well, since this is showing, let's start with these stickers. I got a few of them, a few sets, and there are multiple sheets, and it has, so the stickers, January, February, I'm going to use these in my days at the beginning of every days. See what else. I'm going to open one. I think I got 3 sets of them because they were almost out of stock. I will also link in the description below the links to these stickers, and if the ones that are still in stock are still in stock, then you're in luck. So yeah, it has days of the week and months, and they're basically different colors, so this will last me for a few years, or I may be able to use it in a few journals because it's a bunch of stuff all repeated. So I'm going to put that away later. One of those, 1, 2, 3 of them. So I am set for quite a number of years with those. It's called digital recording. Contains 4 stickers, 1 material paper, and hemp rope. And it's not really 4 stickers, it's 4 sheets of stickers. I didn't see the material paper though. Oh, I didn't take it out. Yeah, so it's the solar system. I just thought that was part of the backing. But anyways, so there's that. And then I got some Vincent van Gogh washi. I think it's washi anyways. There's 30 pieces. Let me unwrap this. Ooh, I should have kept my stickers out. Or my scissors, I mean. I'm having an aphasia morning. So, here we go. And these are much bigger than I thought they would be. Very much bigger. Oh, they're not even stickers or bookmarks. Well, that's fine. I can use these for placeholders. I thought they were stickers. But, oh, wait. Nope. They are card bookmarks. I did not read the description close enough. So there's 30 of them, and they're all different Van Gogh paintings. So yeah, I was wanting to get Van Gogh washi. And then, so here's some deco stickers. Oh, that I'm planning to use in my biz, and it might be used in my days as well, but there are things that will fit. Some of them are too big, and so they will go in my days, but it's, so yeah, it's some smaller stickers that for my continuing ed and prep blocks and for my admin blocks. And there's just a whole bunch of sheets with, they've got like tubes of paint and all sorts of artsy, admin-y writing stuff that goes out that, I got a stack of books for when I'm reading or when I'm writing. So it's just a bunch of things that are kind of representative of the type of work that I do. And then this, I don't know if I actually needed because I have a lot of labels. I have a lot of label stickers, but they don't always work for what I want to use it for. And when I saw the price of this, I think it was like $6 for 1,000 some odd labels, and it has this cute little box to keep it in. I mean, this kind of, are you gonna even come out? There we go. Oh, please come out. It's being difficult. I don't understand. Ooh, there we go. It's just being really difficult. So all these labels, some of them will work in my biz. Some of these will be used for decorating my days. But there are various sizes, and because they're smaller sizes than my current labels, these will work for more situations than what I currently have, and it comes in this handy box that is very nice to look at. I will dump those and deal with them appropriately later. So that's another thing that I got. And reach into my bag. I got some more moon stickers because I have a bunch of them, but not enough for what I need to use them for. They're washies of various sizes, but I needed more in this. They're bigger than I thought they would be. But I can use these as well in my days. They're a more appropriate size. Some of the stickers I have are too wide to fit in the different columns of the days, and these are more appropriate. And how am I going to put that back without disrupting the apple cart, as they say? And because I'm out of my date stickers, if you see me do my monthly setups, then you know I use these a lot. So I have 3 years worth, so I don't have to worry about it for a while, unless I start like using another journal on top of my days where I'm also going to use these, which I doubt, but just in case, like I have extras. I have more than I need for a few years. It should last me good. That's just a pamphlet. I needed to get more of these. These are washi strips. I have a few different designs, but these work really well when I'm decorating my days, and they're the perfect size, and so I needed more options than the current 2 options that I'm continuously going back and forth through. So I have more options. I'm not going to put that one back. There's no point. And again, I got a different one of these. I have a couple. I open this to show you. Where did I put my scissors? So, I really like these. You can use it as a strip, or you can use it as like cut it off 1/3. And they're stickers. They remind me of like paint samples, cards. But I need more in this theme, and I use these a lot in my days. And so I needed more options than what I had, considering how I have decided I'm going to decorate things, like the colors I'm going to use and the themes more or less. So that, and that's right. I got 3 of these because I knew some of them would not work in, they would be too big for my biz. So that's right. I got multiples. So at least they will last me for a while, and they will work in both my biz and my dates for the size of things. And then the last thing, is this the last thing? If it is, because I'm completely out of these, and I use these to block off my Sundays in my biz, and they're book spines, and I'm out so of this specific pattern. So I got more of these. I've got everything. Yeah, so let me put this all away, and I will lay everything out. As I said, small, comparatively quick unboxing. I think this was like, I don't know, less than $50 Canadian, maybe $50 Canadian. A lot of these things were like $1 or $2. The most expensive thing was this box, which was like $6 or $7, something like that. Bookmarks, completely accidental, but I will live with it. These I'm most excited about. I can't wait to set up my days for January, because yeah, I'm really excited about these. And I don't quite know how I'm going to use the dates yet, but I will think of something. That is for dang sure. So links again for the products are in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when new videos go up. And join me every single Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. British time for a live plan with me, where we sit and we chat for an hour and a half, where we talk about our week that was and our weeks or months that are coming up, and we plan, or we journal, or we do art, or whatever. We just hang out for an hour and a half. Until next time, I hope to see you soon. Bye.